This entire website, the design, the animations, the copy, all of it was generated with one prompt. No templates, no Figma, no code. Let me show you exactly how. Alright, so the tool that we're using is Google Antigravity. If you haven't heard of it, it's basically an AI-powered IDE. You describe what you want and it builds out the full website for you. And as you can see here, it runs on Gemini, which is Google's latest AI model. And obviously we have to choose a model. So we have two options, which are Gemini 3.1 Pro High, and the second one is Gemini 3.1 Pro Low. And for this video, I'm gonna use the Gemini 3.1 Pro High, which actually gives a more accurate result, but it uses higher tokens. Meanwhile, the Gemini 3.1 Pro Low gives mediocre results, but uses less tokens. But the real secret is this prompt file. And if you double click on it, it opens automatically on Antigravity. It's called Gemini.md, and you can find this prompt in the description box below. And this prompt is a blueprint that tells AI exactly how to build a high-end landing page. The layout, the animations, the typography system, everything. So instead of going back and forth with the AI for an hour, you load this file in Antigravity and it gets it right from the first time. What this prompt does is it gives the AI a complete design system up front. And as you can see, this long prompt is divided into sections, some of which are role, agent flow, aesthetic presets, etc. I'll explain deeply what's inside of this file as we go. But for now, let's jump into the build. So first thing, open Antigravity and click on Open Folder. Now, instead of writing a full prompt from scratch, we're going to add our file Gemini.md. Now, the way that you can think about this prompt is that it gives the AI a complete design system up front. It defines 4 aesthetic presets, as we can see, preset A, B, C, and D. Each has its own color palette, typography, and visual mood. It also defines every section of the page, as we can see here, including the navbar, the hero section, features section, philosophy section, the sticky scrolling section, pricing, and the footer. And it specifies all the animations and interactions using a well-known JavaScript library, GSAP3. So now, instead of saying build me a website and hoping for the best, you're giving AI a senior developer's level of instructions. That's why the output is completely different from what most people get. So now I'll tell Gemini to proceed with this prompt. So we'll say something like, cool, proceed with the prompt, and hit enter. Hit allow this conversation. And what's going to happen is that Antigravity will read this entire prompt and ask me 4 specific questions before it builds anything. Here we go. It's asking me 4 things. This is what makes this prompt powerful. It narrows down exactly what you need before generating a single line of code. First question is asking for brand name and one-line purpose. I'm building the site for my AI automation agency, so I'm putting the name of my agency, which is built with Rida, let's say, AI automation systems and custom SaaS solutions for businesses that want to scale without hiring. Second is aesthetic direction. I'm gonna go with Midnight Looks. So I'll put Midnight Looks in the prompt. And I think it gives that high-end premium look, which is exactly what you want when you're positioning yourself as an agency. Third is 3 key value propositions. Basically, you want to put your best offers in here. I'm gonna put mine. So this will be my answer for question 3. And for the last question, it's asking us for a primary CTA. And I'm gonna keep it simple and just put book a free consultation. And that's it. We're ready to go. And now it's generating the whole website. And as you can see, it built a plan for us before it proceeds with building the website. And one more thing is that we're gonna switch from planning mode to fast mode. And this allows the agent to execute the task immediately. Click proceed. And as you can see, now it's going to implement the whole plan that it's created. So basically it's scaffolding the whole React app with the Tailwind and JavaScript components. It's creating the navbar, the hero section, and all the components that we specified in the Gemini.md file. And notice that it will pull up some images that match with the Midnight Looks theme that we defined in the prompt. It's also going to be using Enter and Playfair Display for the fonts. All of this came from the Gemini prompt, and we did not have to specify anything manually. And now we're going to wait until Antigravity agent finishes building the site. We can see that it created different files, Tailwind, index.html, and CSS. And we can also further expand this. All right, so now it's building the website live in the browser. It opened the local host and it's now recording the landing page, which we can see right now. Oh my God, look at this website. Wow. This is so clean. Book a free consultation. Wow, I'm actually mind blown by this website. I did all this thing in one single prompt. So as you can see, look at this nav bar is so smooth. Look at this, like the fade in, the fade out, with a call to action button. And look at the background image here. It really sets the mood for Midnight Luke's theme that we specified earlier in the answers of the prompt. Just wow, here's the logo built with Rida. And oh, it seems that it did not finish the website since we're getting these blue glowy things. This thing is truly amazing. What Gemini 3.1 can do right now is really amazing. So here's the name, built with Rida. Scalability meets automation. AI automation systems and custom SaaS solutions for businesses that want to scale without hiring. Book a free consultation. Wow. And the next section comes with these animations inside the cards. That's really like high-level development done in one prompt. Most agencies focus on hiring more headcount. We focus on intelligent automation. Guys, look at the fonts, like it's really amazing. And then you have this section which has these cool animations, and then the call to action, which is ready to reclaim your time, book a consultation, and there's like this button right here. It's perfect, bro. Like, I'm trying to find something to fix, but it's really perfect. Now, it might not be fully functional yet. For example, let's click on book a free consultation. Yeah, it doesn't work. This button doesn't work. Book a call, this button doesn't work as well. And we just have to add a few touches here and there, and basically we're done. Services, it goes to the services. Philosophy, it goes to here. Protocol, to this section. Wow. Let's go back to the prompt, and it says that it's still working. That's a production level website from a single prompt. We have done this with no manual coding and no going back and forth with the AI, just a simple prompt that built this whole website. And you know, most of the times it's not only about the prompt that we give the AI, but it's also about the models. So Gemini 3.1 is really a good model at this. And whether you tell it like to build another website without this prompt, I think it will come up with something really great. And so guys, it has fully built the landing page using Midnight Luke's aesthetic preset. And it's saying that the site is a high fidelity digital instrument as requested, utilizing React, Tailwind CSS v3, and GSAP with scroll trigger for professional scroll lifestyles. The development server is currently running. You can view the live site at this local host. As we saw earlier, the site is running on this local host that the AI gave us. Now, no AI generated site is 100% perfect from the first try. There's always things you want to adjust, you want to refine, but the difference is with this prompt, as the foundation, you're making small tweaks and not rebuilding from scratch. So let me adjust the hero headline. I want something more direct. So in Antigravity, I'm typing change the hero headline to automate your business on the first line and scale without limits on the second line. This is before it edits the headline, and this is after it made the changes as we specified. Last thing, I want to add a quick social proof section. So I'm going to say, I want to add a quick social proof section, something like trusted by 20+ businesses with some placeholder logos. So now we sit back and let AI do the work. Great, so now it's saying that it's added a social proof section right below the hero area. Let's check it out. And wow, this is the social proof as we mentioned, and it's really perfect. So to wrap up, what we did here was take a pre-built prompt file that contains a full design system, aesthetic presets, component architecture, and animation specs. We pasted it into Google Antigravity, answered 4 simple questions, and got a production quality landing page in minutes. If you want to see more builds like this, SaaS apps, automations, full projects built with AI, hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next one.